Good morning. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum Assalam.
I hope you all enjoyed your Sunday.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, students. Teacher, I
Yeah.
have one doubt. Like,
Mm.
like the newspaper thing. Do you like there was a group mail, right? So for group week one, Hanan did right, and two, Ifa and three, Ayan. So who will be the next one? Like
Yeah, that I will
confused.
say. I will explain you that everything. Okay, Ifa, you there?
Ma'am, yes.
So I hope have you seen the message sent to the WhatsApp group? Have you seen the
Yeah, the
weekly
school magazine. Yeah,
newsletter?
the
Yeah. So we are planning to provide one weekly newsletter. That means you will get
Weekly news.
all the things, your homework, your message, your assignments, special occasions, events, everything you will get from that newsletter. So we will provide that newsletter on Friday. So you'll get the previous things. And also teachers are evaluating daily. Also, you know that your teachers, you're evaluating your behavior, your attendance, your academics, everything the teachers evaluating regularly. So based on that things, we are planning to provide a one best student or a weekly student for the one student for the week. Okay, that's why Eva got the first. So that was Ifa. Am I right?
yeah.
Week one, yeah, the teacher. It's not. I'm not selecting your. The teacher suggesting some names. The student. He is the specialty of this. What is the specialty of the student?
Week one was Hanan, then me, then
Yeah,
Ayan.
week one, Hanan. Congratulations, Hanan. And week two, that was
Ifa,
Ifa.
then yeah, Ayan.
Yeah, week three, Ayan. Okay. The teacher suggested the names. I selected from there one student. Okay. So it's based on your performance. It's only the based on your performance, joining the class, classroom behavior, okay, and your academics, your attendance, your assignment submission, everything. The teachers are evaluating. So based
Ma'am,
on based on that, we will select one student for the best student for the week. Okay. Yes.
can I show you something?
Yes.
Ma'am, I'll just get a tissue and come. Hello, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
I'm New Zaira here.
Oh.
I, now onwards, I'm gonna wear specs because, like, I have an eye issue. You
Hmm.
know, the water is coming from my eyes. So, suggest me to wear the
Oh,
specs.
oh, oh, that's good. Okay, keep that.
I look
Nice
weird in
looking,
this
Zaira.
class.
Nice looking.
No,
Really, Zaira.
thank you.
So, Ayan, we had a discussion about the daily, weekly newsletter. I think, have you seen that message?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we
What you
had an
think?
Adifa.
Yeah. First week, the Ayan got the heading, the week of the student. Second that was Ifa, and third that was Ayan. Okay. So who is gonna be next? Hmm?
Me.
Yeah, if you want to get that title, you have to work hard. Like follow do your all assignments regularly. Okay. And join to the correct time. Behave with your friends and teacher in good manner. Everything the teachers are observing. You have, you're on mute. Nuha, have you seen this? from this term onwards, we provide this type of new classroom newsletters. Okay. And the teachers will select one student as a performer, best students, based on the performance of the student, like class behavior, as assignment submission, academics, correct timing, join, attendance. That's also main thing. Okay, participation of the classroom. Okay, interaction with the teachers. Everything the teachers are evaluating. Okay, dears. So the title got first, that was our Hanan, and the second, that was second week, the title win that was Ifa, and the week 3, that was our Ayan. So congratulations all. So next is your turn. Okay, your chance. Try for that. Do for that. Complete your all assignment. Okay. Join to the class without any fail. Make sure that attendance is important. Is it clear? Try to complete your
Yeah.
all assignment on the correct time. You behave with your friends and teachers in good manner. Interact with the students. Okay, everything the teachers are evaluating. That's the main thing. So I hope you all understand. So the one thing you also get from this newsletter, the assignments and the subject wise things, like what is the homework, which one is the next assignment, the project work, everything you will get from this newsletter. Okay, I think it's clear.
Yeah.
So next, it's your chance. Do for that. Okay, all the best, dear. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Khadija, you are late. This also teachers evaluating. We are discuss also many things here. But if Khadija joined lately, so what we can do? So this also teachers evaluating. So okay, next chance of your, please do for that. Okay, bye.